world of leader development, it's really important to have evidence-based practices, to measure the impact of your programming, and to also contextualize your offerings for the people that you are developing. And here at Rice Business, we have been really intentional about understanding the context of our students' lives, understanding their needs, their career aspirations, who they want to become during their 2 years here.
So going through the program, when I first walked in, I always had this idea, this mindset of a leader is somebody that just tells everybody what to do, they know everything. So that really, command and control approach. And I've learned that now, over time, things are becoming a little bit more ambiguous. It's really hard to know everything. So a good leader is not only somebody that knows everything, but is somebody that is able to empower his team, empower the people that are around him, that's able to coach people to become better.
I could not imagine getting an MBA degree without having gone through the Leader as Coach program. It is such a well-rounded complement to engage with fellow students and my professors and get the most out of this experience.
The Leaders as Coach program is different than your typical course here at Rice, as it's very intense and it's very dynamic. So what I mean is you get a lot of pre-work that you need to complete ahead of time because it's really curated to cover the different aspects of leadership. And now, whenever you go in the classroom, it's important that you've done this ahead of time because once you're in, there's a little bit of lecturing, but it's really hands-on. You do a lot of group work, there's a lot of demo coaching. You actually put in practice everything that's theoretical into real application. So that's what I really enjoyed about the program.
This program has really helped me become a more empathetic leader. It's helped me dive deep to solve problems by becoming a coach and becoming a better listener. I think what I was doing in the past was giving a lot of my direct reports advice without actually uncovering the problem due to gaps in my active listening skills. And Leader as Coach has been instrumental in teaching me techniques to become a better active listener and an overall better leader.
Leader as Coach really helps you to expand what you think of as leadership. It's not just someone in charge, it's not just the boss. Anybody has the ability to be a leader, and so the program really helps you to stretch your idea of what leadership means, and that it's not control and it's not power. It's really how you can engage people and bring them into the fold and get them to do the initiatives that you're working on, the projects, the culture changes, whatever it happens to be. And so it's really good at doing all of that.
Leader as Coach helps you think about dealing with people. People have skin. People show up at work differently every day. How do you as a leader give feedback, coach people, get the best from them, realizing that organizations are made up of relationships, and to handle relationships you need a certain set of skills. As people come away from this program understanding how they will lead in an organization in a more effective way.
If developing yourself as a leader is important to you, there's no better place to be than here at Rice Business.